Numerous skincare devices claim to restore a youthful, radiant complexion. However, more often than not, they end up yielding minimal results. This presents a compelling inquiry. Is there an at-home device that consistently delivers transformative results, profoundly impacting both overall skin radiance and long-term collagen production? In this video, I'm breaking down why the LYMA Laser has earned a consistent spot in my daily routine. Hi, I'm Kim Peiffer, Features and Special Projects Director at Forbes Vetted, and this is Top Notch. As a lifestyle editor who's been covering beauty for nearly 2 decades, I've rigorously tested dozens of anti-aging devices over the years. Before discovering the LYMA Laser, I struggled with persistent sun damage, fine lines around my eyes, and a general lack of luminosity that no amount of serum or cream seemed to fix. The only thing that helped with all of my skin concerns was in-office laser treatments like Fraxel, but those can be extremely costly and the downtime can be significant. I've been putting this device through its paces for the last 2 years, and this is the one that has actually made a significant difference in my skin. It's also one of the only at-home skincare devices that mimics the results of an in-office treatment thanks to its powerful, deeply penetrating laser. This isn't just another beauty device. The LYMA Laser uses light therapy technology to rejuvenate and repair skin without inducing any heat or pain. Why does this matter? Unlike LEDs that only reach the surface, this laser penetrates deep into the dermis to stimulate collagen production and improve cellular function from within. This means it's not just treating symptoms, it's addressing the root causes of aging and skin imperfections. How does it compare? Many devices use heat or ablative methods that can cause damage or downtime. The LYMA Laser is cool to the touch, non-ablative, and completely pain-free, making it safe for all skin tones and types with 0 downtime. It's sleek, ergonomic, and surprisingly lightweight. It feels substantial and high quality in your hand. This matters because a device this easy and comfortable to use means you'll actually use it consistently, and you need to in order to see results. Setup is literally just pressing a button. As for maintenance, you simply wipe it clean after each use. The medical grade materials and engineering speak to its durability. The LYMA fits seamlessly into your life, whether you're relaxing on the couch or winding down before bed. I use mine often while watching Netflix or right after I shower in the evenings. I've even been known to use it at my desk if I'm sitting in a long meeting with my camera off, although my coworkers would be 0% surprised if I used it while my camera was on. While the initial investment might seem significant upfront at $2,695, consider what you're getting: a professional grade device backed by extensive scientific research and clinical trials, designed for daily at-home use. Compare this to the ongoing costs of regular in-office laser treatments or the accumulated expense of countless serums and face creams. Over time, the LYMA Laser becomes a far more economical and convenient solution, delivering results that truly justify its price. It's an investment in the long-term health and appearance of your skin. Plus, it comes with no downtime, a deal breaker for some people who don't want to be down and out for days or weeks after a more aggressive in-office treatment. This device is especially good for anyone looking to address multiple skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, redness, pigmentation, or even scarring. It's perfect for those seeking a proactive and preventative approach to aging and is willing to invest the time each day to use it. However, it might not be for everyone. If you're looking for an instant, dramatic result, this is not your device. It's a regenerative tool that builds lasting results over time. It also represents a significant investment, so if your budget is your absolute top priority and you're not ready to commit to a premium device, there are other more affordable options for general skin health, though they may not offer the same deep cellular regeneration. Certain LED masks, for example, can be a good entry point for surface level concerns. Finally, it does come with a time commitment in order to yield results. The brand advises people to use the LYMA Laser daily for around 3 minutes on each treatment area for 3 months to see maximum results, and then twice weekly to maintain these results. After 2 years of consistent use, I can say with confidence, the LYMA Laser is worth the investment. It's transformed my skin, reducing redness, smoothing lines, and giving me a radiant glow I thought was impossible to achieve at home. If you're curious and ready to invest in your skin's future, we've linked to the best available pricing and our full in-depth review of the LYMA Laser in the description below. We're always testing new products to ensure we're recommending the very best. So let us know your go-to skincare device or any other beauty products you swear by in the comments. And to learn about more editor-backed, top-notch items like this one, be sure to subscribe and follow Forbes Vetted on Instagram and TikTok.